Welcome to our cybersecurity channel. Today we're exploring security vulnerabilities in Cisco routers, which power networks worldwide. In this episode, we'll cover common vulnerabilities, real-world attacks, and best practices to secure your network. Cisco routers are the backbone of enterprise networks. Their reliability is key, but they are attractive targets for hackers. Here are the most common security risks in Cisco routers: default credentials, unpatched firmware, configuration errors, DOS attacks, and backdoor vulnerabilities. Notable incidents demonstrate the importance of proactive security. For example, the Cisco ASA firewall exploit in 2018 led to significant data theft. Protect your routers with best practices. Change default credentials, update firmware, enable secure configurations, implement MFA, and conduct security audits. Emerging threats include AI-powered attacks, supply chain risks, and IoT expansion. Future-proof your network with tools like SecureX. By adopting proactive measures, you can protect your organization from breaches. Like and subscribe for more insights.